casualties of the people at a large scale is also called tufan. Al-Qamal means lice, Haqiq means the truth, Suqut means felt ashamed, who regrets. It is as if he had fallen in his own eyes. There occurred a clash between Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu and Hazrat Hur bin Qais Fazari about the companion of Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says he is Hazrat Khazir alayhi salam. At the very moment Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'ab radiyallahu anhu happened to pass by them. So Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said to him, I and my this companion have different opinion about the companion of Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam, about whom he asked the way to see him. Have you heard anything from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam about him? He replied, yes, I heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam saying, when someone came and asked him, Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam, do you know a man who is more learned than you? He said, no. So Allah Ta'ala Jalaluhu sent a revelation to him. Why not? Our bondsman Khadr is the one. So Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam asked the way to him. Hence, a fish was made a sign for him, and it was said, when the fish is lost, you should return to that place, you will find him there. So he kept on looking for the sign of the fish in the river. At last, the retainer said to him, don't you observe when we reached near the rock, I verily forgot the fish. Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam said, this is the place we are seeking. Then they both returned, retracing their footsteps. So both of them found Hazrat Khazr alayhi salam. Then there occurred between them all what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has mentioned in his book. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3400.